The pandemic is a central focus of Senator Perdue's opponent, Democrat Jon Ossoff. During this campaign, his events have looked strikingly different from the packed Republican rallies we've seen. Our Andy Parati sat down with Ossoff today to talk about the measures that he would support if case numbers keep going up.
That is the first legislative priority, is addressing this pandemic.
On the front porch of his Grand Park home Monday morning, Jon Ossoff discusses his growing concern over the pandemic.
We're losing more than 1,000 Americans per day to this virus. It is spreading completely out of control, and there is no coordinated federal response.
Over the past few weeks, he and his opponent David Perdue's campaign events could not look any more different. The senators oftentimes indoors with few people wearing masks, like this event in Marietta on November 11th. Ossoff's events outdoors, including this one in Macon on this same day.
And the fact that this administration and its allies, like David Perdue, told us COVID-19 was no deadlier than the flu, that's a direct quote from Senator Perdue, undermined our capacity to prepare as a country and politicize the question of how we respond to the virus.
As of last week, the White House Coronavirus Task Force put Georgia back in the red zone, like much of the country, for increasing infections. If elected, Ossoff says he plans to let public health officials dictate how to respond.
So I would defer to the experts at the CDC who know what they're doing. And the problem that we've had throughout this pandemic is that politicians have refused to acknowledge the limitations of their own knowledge. They've suppressed public health experts.
Do you plan to get the vaccine?
When public health authorities rule that it is safe and effective, then I'll be getting immunized and encouraging others to do the same.
If elected, Ossoff says his first legislative priority is to get his stimulus plan approved and more resources to hospitals as soon as possible. He says he's taking the CDC's advice this Thanksgiving and not traveling, instead spending it at home with his wife.